Hello, my friends. We continue to learn professions today. We learn professions of beauty sphere. Stylist, stylist. Fashion designer, modelier, couturier, designer, interior designer, designer интерьера, model, photo model, hairdresser or barber, parикмахер, visagist, beautician, косметолог, massagist, and perfumer, parfumer. It's famous Roman, yeah, Patrick Zuskind. By the way, did you watch this film? See you in the next video.